Guys, wagwan! Paper, what's up? Oh, y'all doing? Y'all doing okay? Y'all not doing okay yet? Okay. I will make you do okay now. Okay. So this one is Pop Balloon. Find Love in Jamaican edition. You know I should do unlike Trinidad, some American, some Barbados, but right after this one. Okay, guys, I promise. You understand? Okay, so first, I want everyone to subscribe right now. Please, 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 my respect, you understand? Stay blessed, you understand? God bless every one of my subscribers. People do share the video as well. You understand? Y'all wonder how I look so sharp and neat and fresh. You understand? Yes. This fade, this cut, ear design by Lex. Go over on Instagram, follow her, DM her if you need a fresh cut. You understand? Both male and female. You understand? Right here in Canada, Ontario. Okay. Pop Balloon, Find Love, Jamaican edition. Sometimes this thing feel like it is capping, bro. Bro, if you think this Pop Balloon edition is capping, because guys, y'all have the balloon, right? I know you can't find love, bro. Like, even bro, what are you there for, bro? You see a nice lady walk up. What are you looking for? A dolly body, a designer body, as what Jerry said. Go check out Jerry. Jerry, big up yourself, right, on TikTok. You understand that, Jerry? You know the thing go. Yes, that Jerry I'm talking about. You understand? Yeah, you're looking for the designer body, bro. What are you looking for? You see a female walk on, bro. As long as she smell fresh, you understand. She have the potential. She intelligent. You understand. Smart. She know what she's want. Bro, keep your balloon, bro. You understand? Do not pop the balloon, bro. Not because it named Pop Balloon. You understand? You're gonna work with the first pop out of that line. You understand? Yo, these guys do not come on these show. They don't come on this show, bro, to find love, bro. I feel like many of them come on this show to like get famous or to push their business or to go viral. They want to go viral. You understand? Like, bro, it's scam, bro. I don't see no one say, hey, this is your love? Yes, it is my love. And they go both. You understand? They're just going part way, bro. You understand? They're just going part way, bro. Like, yo, these things feel like it is comedy. But let's see if this one is comedy. This is the episode 13. You understand? This guy do a lot, bro. Shout out to that guy. You understand? People subscribe right now. Let's get right into it.
Yo, we send out the flyer and the girl them. Now I link up. So I'm shy, but
Hold on. I know that guy. Bro, where's that shark guy going, bro? Yo, I have to look. Yo, bro. Like, he can find love either way. You understand? But not on this, bro. You understand? I guess that guy over there, I see him already on TikTok. Yeah, that guy, I see him already on TikTok.
Mandeville, on the don't know, Motor Source. Big bad sponsor, man. If you watch out the video, they might give you a free earpod. Yo, catch your shoes, catch your shoes. Oh, and shoes factory, no man, do it. Follow them on Instagram. Got it night, chips.
You're gonna say banana chips.
Banana chips.
I know you're gonna say
Wait.
banana chips.
Please like the video.
Sure.
May I wait?
May I wait?
Thank you. Yo, my G.
Bro, I guess that roster guy, that shark guy, bro, he's gonna keep his balloon. Bro, maybe this thing is a planting, bro.
Bringing the first female. Them say Mandeville have the prettiest girl in a Jamaica. That them say, you know. So today, make me know what you think about the lineup, okay? Be honest. How the general them come out? What the general them come out? All them come out clean?
Bro, so that guy come, like, he came on the show with a marina, bro.
Clean. Clean. Alright, fresh.
And that guy, yo. Yo, and the other guy in the full red, bro, of his champagne is in hand, bro. Yo, John.
Alright, watch you now. You're bringing the
What is
first
gonna happen?
female. Hold on.
Yo.
Wait until she reach out, sir. Wait until she reach out, sir.
Bro, where is this girl going, bro? Like, with your skirt short, bro. You're showing every guy. Bro, what is this? Bro, this is a chop. Hey, Rasta, hold this
Whoa.
balloon, bro.
She not introduce herself. What? Introduce yourself, please.
My name is Beyonce.
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 Whoa, all right.
Wow.
Beyonce, what type of work you do?
I'm an entrepreneur.
Entrepreneur, that's awesome. That's awesome.
Yeah,
What's
he's
your
an
type, though?
entrepreneur. Okay.
Well, my type is someone that is very hardworking
Hardworking,
and loving.
loving. That's awesome. That's good. That's good. All right. So, if you were to go on a date with one of these match, what's a perfect date for you, though?
Well, the perfect date will be taking me to dinner,
Dinner. All right.
and after that, cuddling.
Cuddle. After dinner, cuddle. Ah, that doesn't sound bad.
On the first day. That not sound bad.
That's so bad. All right. So
I'm a lover girl.
yeah, I love a girl. All right. So we got some pops. Which side you want to
You're a
start with? You
lover
want to
girl,
start
so
with the
she
end?
just like a lover girl, bro. I would pop my balloon. First thing, you can't just pop up in the place like that naked, bro. You're naked. You understand? Like naked. You're just not naked. You have the kid on it. You're naked. You're just a kid, bro. Go put on clothes. You understand?
All right. Let's go.
True.
Let's
Bro,
go.
she deserve it, bro. Pop everything.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
6K.
6K.
What's your name is Beyonce?
Yeah, Beyonce.
But be real with you, Beyonce. The outfit where you wear, me not really like the outfit here. Me not hide on top. Me not like the outfit.
Bro, you're capping. You like the outfit, but not there. Not on that. You understand? Yeah. Just talk, bro. Just talk. You like the outfit, but not right on the show.
My hairstyle, Beyonce, could I spend a little bit more time? Look a bit more
Oh,
time.
God. Beyonce won't cry.
And you're too thick. You're too thick. Like, if me if you argue like a person could have kicked me down on them thing there, see me? So you're too thick for me. And can turn on Beyonce? And you don't want to do that for me.
No,
You don't want to turn on for me?
no,
Why you got? After you said that?
no,
Just one look at 360.
no.
And my last problem, Beyonce. Look from your head to your toe. From your head to your toe. And I left that alone, Beyonce. So that is my problem.
All right. So how much you rate her from 1 to 10?
From 1 to 10, to be honest, I would have give you a 2.
Yeah.
2. 2 me that I give you. I am the man.
Yo, like that's the money. Two. Like she knows you're two, bro. How much two you have in the world? Yeah. John Star. Beyonce walk with grace.
You're the woman. If I tell you to do something, you must do it. Me are the man. So there, so now you give me a little boss energy. Like you're more better than me. So me I give you a 2. Yes.
Mama
You like
point, bro.
dominate.
That's a point, bro. You understand? Like if she hear the truth, yeah. Guys, that's the point, bro.
Huh?
You like dominate.
I like to take control. Yes, I'm the man. God create man before he create the woman.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, so wait.
Argument. That's why I say, yo, if they're starting to argue, argument this guy looking.
For him.
Well, you're looking alright, but you look like you're not mature enough for me. I'm looking for somebody who's mature, and you don't look mature. The way you speak, you'd know that I'm a person. Well, if you had the time to know me, you'd know that I'm a person who's very submissive. Looks can be deceiving.
Okay.
Yeah. So you're missing out. Sorry. You're bad. Not mine.
So much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
1.
Well, I will give you a 5
Oh, she rated him then.
5. Why 5?
because of the way he speaks. Otherwise, you are well.
So how I speak? How I speak?
Well, what you said about me.
No, I'm
Okay?
just keeping it
No
real.
problem. But that's
Bro, she's keeping it real also, bro. Move on to the next guy.
how I rate you from the way you speak.
5?
Yes.
Not
Bro, 5, bro. What you didn't
Hey.
expect? You give her a 2, bro, and you give her 2. You understand? You give her 2 and she give you a 5. What you did want her to give you? 10? Bro, these guys capping, bro.
5, my G.
5?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Alright, good with that?
No, I'm not good with that. These are better than 5.
I'll give you a 3 then. I close my case right there.
All right.
If you're not okay with 5, I'll give you a 3.
Yeah.
We're gonna move on, right?
bro.
Ready?
Yes.
Ready.
Pooping at the bed and looking at the bed, I don't know say faith and strong man. You see me? Yeah, man. 6K TV on Instagram, 6K TV on TikTok, 6K TV on YouTube. And you don't know other side, faith and strong mind, not bad mind.
Your name, I pop the balloon?
1 Cubans. You know
I
what?
always see they show their followers, how much followers they got. I guess this guy, they edit it out. They edit it out, guys.
I'm not gonna lie. I like her style. She's nice. She's nice, you know what I mean? But I just think me thick and she thick. You know?
Yeah.
She am a regular type. Yeah, so me I try find something when I'm a regular type. You understand? But you're nice, me girl. Can I see around about there, please? Please? No?
No.
Yeah, I get a 9 see, but it's like you're not show me around about me. Nah, see what I'm going around this up. I give you a 7. You're nice, though.
7 because you want to see run about.
Yeah, so if she give me that, should I get a 9, solid. But
So when you walk in, you never see nothing.
me never did a look.
Blind. So we are
You understand?
we are yeah.
She hot, no, she hot. She hot. Yeah, 8. Final answer. 8.
Final, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, she bougie.
Step up.
Bougie.
Yeah,
Mandeville thought that.
yeah, she bougie.
What do you think about him?
Well, you're nice. Well, I take you by what you said. I'm your regular type.
Yeah.
So you would not be my type. I'm looking for somebody who is like for me and me only. So
Yeah,
if I'm your regular type means that you're a player. But I do give you a 9 though.
No, I'm a pimp, not a player, sorry.
Oh, no problem.
Yeah.
Pim.
That is it. Cool.
I give you a 9 though.
9.
Yeah, thank you.
No
Alright.
problem.
We're not a scare, man. You know, 1 Cubans 876, man. You know, I think of follow him on TikTok, Cubans 876, Instagram, Cubans 876. You're right.
Hold on. 6. I gotta make you walk with grace, you know. 6 walk with grace. Alright, your name, why you pop the balloon?
Swiss and initially I go Papa she come in because as me say, I like slim as but she look nice. The outfit not wrong with him but me like my girl can be more covered.
Okay.
Is me but for your style cause you the thick and sexy and thing toes. Miss a footman. Yes, me play football and my toe them horrible.
Oh, okay.
So, not saying hers is whatever, but
Okay.
I like pretty toe, white toenail and yes, me so
Like toes.
yeah. I like
Same like
safe when a
foot.
toe well done. Yes, me.
Yeah.
But she nice thing. I like how she articulate herself.
Much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
6.5.
6.5.
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about him?
Got her face cute.
He's okay. Thank you very much.
Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him though?
I give him a 6.
6.
Yeah.
Alright.
That good man. Watch the man for device now say Swiss, you know say you can find me on Instagram as Swiss official. And now say me say
Bro,
she
hold on. I never see this guy, bro, like he find love or something. Am I doing the wrong one? Because I
Completely
see guys
can't.
sending me say, yo, dog. do this reacting. React to this pop balloon, like react to this one. You understand? Bro, I see this guy, bro. This guy find a girl, bro. I look through my For You page and I see he finds someone. I think she's a barber girl or hair cutting stylist, someone.
So me, yo, watching outside.
Alright, come to this side. Alright, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
1 kill quick funny
Oh,
TikTok.
fire! Oh, the shark guy. He still have his balloon.
But if you know what is, can me can hesitate before me pop the balloon. You know, but me like say she just natural overall, differently. She not have no nails and she not have all of that. You see, so that's not a problem.
Okay.
I admire that in a sense.
Alright.
Yeah, me like how she natural, but me no like how she just. Cause remember we are road man, you know, and a quickie we deal with, you know. You see me, so me no like the outfit. I look at that, look like just a quick push in and take out. Me not tell no lie. But no problem. Me just assume.
Bro,
That's
she
what I'm
says
saying.
she's a lover girl. She love to have sex, I guess.
Me no like the outfit. You have to cover it when you're raised, isn't it?
That's okay.
Yeah. That's the only problem. I like her. She good.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I get 1 8. Yeah.
8 out of 10.
Yeah, man.
And what do you think about him? Based on his appearance?
I'm gonna give him a 7.
7.
Yeah.
Is there something you like about him?
Well, normally, guys, it's just because I'm just nice and
Just now.
just
Respect,
nice.
man.
Alright?
Yeah. Yo, you know you code, you know. 1 kill quick pan the TikTok, you see me? Big up roll them. Brrr.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, one fit factor. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, he's definitely from Mandeville, bro.
Was thinking when she wear this outfit, you know, because it just a give a butter years mentality, to be honest, like a hooker vibes, like any man can just jive up and just get her easy. And me here, she mentioned something like, she said after date, like cuddle or something. So it just a give easy vibes.
Could you repeat that?
Me hear you mention something about cuddle like after date, something, so it a give her easy vibes. And to me, you just look easy.
True.
You don't put yourself together like it just messy. I'm not gonna lie. But I figure her too. It's bad, terrible.
Yeah, she just desperate.
Terrible.
Okay.
So you give her 2 out of 10?
Yeah, too. Yeah.
Two.
Not gonna lie.
But may I ask you my question?
You can ask him a question.
Alright, so from you know, my question to you is, but you wouldn't look at a girl like me if you're on the street, even if you did have a personal woman.
No, mood look for you.
Well, I don't believe you.
No, mood look
And
for you.
for me,
Why me that look for you?
hold on, for me, for once, men like you will don't talk girls that wear things like these, but yet still you're behind closed door or behind people back, you still look way.
Oh, them still look you
Yeah.
like, oh, so, yeah, so them kind of bash girl, well, dressed
Yeah.
like this, but
But-
still looking and lock down and cheat.
Right. However, it is your opinion, no problem. And I'm a well-kept person. I'm not an easy person to get, sorry.
So why you just easy?
Because this is what I'm comfortable in. We're
You're comfortable
coming
in this right now?
Yes, coming to Raleigh show.
Okay.
Alright? How much should I rate him?
Oh, she's coming from somewhere.
3.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah. Take it through. Yeah.
3.
Yeah, go on.
Right.
Hope. Don't know say boy fit fucked up on TikTok, one and only. So we just there do the support. You see it? Full.
Really?
Alright?
Yeah.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Yeah, you know, $1 bill see me. Reason why I pop the balloon first of all. I can ask you one question first.
Sure.
You say you're an entrepreneur. Which entrepreneur? What you do? Yeah.
Well, basically, I'm a hairstylist.
Your stylist.
Yes.
It's just that the way she put herself together, bro, and like me like tours, you get me is a tour person, so
You like to?
yeah, bro. Like tour.
Yeah.
Like colors and them thing there.
Yeah.
Bro, like tour, like
I can't get emotional. Dad.
Hold on.
You don't have to emphasize on it. I understand what you're
Hey,
trying to
mama,
say.
nah laugh.
That's okay. Not
That's it.
everybody gonna be perfect.
That's
Yo,
it.
he's crying, say he love to. Hey, you see, bro, this thing seems like a comedy show, bro.
Okay. So,
Okay.
but can I ask you a question? Then?
Yeah, do it.
Can I ask you a question? What if my toe is really not perfect, but yet still I am loyal? I
Alright,
would like a loyal
alright.
person because
The point
hold
is,
on, me not finish.
me like-
She have
Hold
some
on, me
tough
not finish
question.
yet.
Alright.
What if the person that you got, right? You come to find a match and you got somebody who has a perfect toe, but their personality and their character is very dirty.
Okay. Makes
Alright.
sense.
And I really that is just that even if you have a pretty toe and your character dirty, me can work with you.
So the toe is a big problem.
Yeah, the toe is because I'm an image person. Me like because you know me like when girl clean and thing because me is a
So
person.
I am clean.
How does that make sense?
Yeah,
I'm
you're
very clean.
You're clean, me understand. But it's just the toes
Okay.
and the way you dress.
Okay.
That's
That's okay with me.
yeah.
Love
But
toe.
otherwise, he's a nice girl same way.
Okay.
You rate her how much?
Me give her like 5.
5. Alright. What you think about him? Based on him appearance, how much you rate him?
Well, your appearance is okay. I'll give you a 6.
6. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, I don't know a $1 bill man. On the Instagram, a dollar bill official same way. I don't know anything.
Alright, my G. Your name? Why pop the balloon?
I want 6, you know. Reason put the balloon is she says she like somebody with hardworking, right? So me feel out hardworking and you just like this come up. No. I just no. And them your toe
Explain, bro.
had to.
Okay then.
Yeah. 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 Basically that. The rest of them say everything still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much you rate her from 1 to 10?
If she didn't have clothes more than gear.
You sure?
If she was in clothes.
Come on, bro. She in her clothes. Alright.
Good, better clothes. When I get like 1.7, but the clothes turn me off, bro. Like 1.3.
You get a 3?
Can I ask you one question?
Alright.
Hear your question.
So basically, you said about hardworking, you being hardworking. If you were hardworking
Yeah.
and I'm just in like this, I'll be only just in like this for you. I am single. That's the fact. So if you are my man and my man said, look here, my man not even have to tell me, so look here, don't just like this because I know how to just modest. I just come and really sure to just like this.
No, but people see you like that. No.
Sure,
Them
I'm
see
single,
you.
so
Yeah, but
I'm just in like this. I don't
me
have a
and you,
man.
Me and you.
Mummy, young lady, that do not make no sense. You understand? Single are not just dress appropriate. You understand? Just dress respectfully. Just like a lady. Yes. Brap! Red flag. She get a red flag and this is not a loyalty test. You understand? This is not a loyalty test, really, what you feel. Red flag. Brap! Yes. Move on.
If I had a man,
Listen to me.
Bro, go to
If me and you
Charlotte,
figure be
bro.
the match now, we go to her, we go walk and say, like the girl that didn't have the black skimpy thing there. Yeah, man. No.
okay then,
First impression last.
no problem with that.
Yeah, so like, you have to stand like a girl, represent you.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, I understand.
Yeah, I understand.
You rate him already? Give him ratings?
Not really.
How much should I rate him?
Much would I rate him? 1.
1?
Yeah.
1 out of 10?
Yeah.
I want 6 still, you know, so me go to the 1.
You good with the 1?
Yeah,
Me take it.
1-6, bro.
1 out of 10.
Bro, 1
Yeah,
6
because I'm
is
coming.
16,
Okay.
bro. 1 6 is 16, bro.
Alright.
Yeah, no.
You know, if you're 1.6, I'm here, man, there upon Rolly Show. Instagram _1.6, TikTok 1.6.
So every male pop them balloon, walk with grace for me now.
Walk with grace, bro. Short man, bro. Where's short boss, bro?
Alright.
All
So we
right.
have one
Look on the ground.
male
Don't
that
look up.
never pop the balloon. Alright.
Ah,
Alright, so what we're gonna do now,
ah.
I'm gonna ask you a question
Fireball.
based on your answer. We're gonna see if it's a match or not, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, your question, fire.
Yeah, man, me like her because she look hard working, you know. Yeah.
Alright, so what's the question? Forget to know her.
All I want to know what's your name, you know. What's your name?
What's
Beyonce.
your name?
Okay, and my name
Beyonce.
is Shawty, yeah. I just see me. Yeah.
But you can call her Shawty.
Yeah, man, no problem with that. Yeah.
No problem.
Alright, sure.
Yes,
Alright,
yes.
so that's the only question for get to know her, Shawty?
No, me give me my 8 still, you know.
Yeah, 8 out of 10.
Yeah, man, out of 10, you know. Yes, sir.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah.
Alright, so your question, forget for know him, because him not asking an intense question.
Yeah.
Okay. I have 2 questions for him. That's okay?
Yeah.
All right. So my first question for you is, what do you do for a living?
Oh, I do landscaping, you know. Plant land.
Yeah.
Repeat that.
I plant land, I do landscaping.
Okay.
Yeah.
My next question, do you have kids?
Yeah, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fireball,
So you're
better
the baby
me.
mother
I have
then
no kids.
having any trouble?
Oh, so no trouble, you know. I always pay my part, you know.
You're single?
Yeah, I'm single right now, be honest with you, you know. Single right now.
Right now.
Alright? That's,
Can you lift me up?
Yeah, man. Oh, I'm doing it right here.
we can get a lift up?
Brawly.
Lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up.
Bro, she have skirt, bro. She have a skirt, bro. Oh, like she
Wait.
was in a tight or something.
Please like the video. May I wait?
She have skirt. She says she's
Thank
a lover
you.
girl, so
Fire same one, lift you up.
nothing is under that skirt.
I know, you know, 'cause me not have the energy there, you know, but me can lift her up, you know.
Yeah.
Can lift her up.
Yeah, man, but me not.
That is the reason why they cut the video, bro, to make the negotiation. You understand? She have skirt, bro. No way he gonna lift her up right there, just like that. You understand? He's short. Like, he can lift up her skirt, bro. Have respect, you understand?
Energy.
Guys, subscribe right now. What are you waiting on? Please like the video, you understand? Yeah, this is tough.
Well, I have another question for you.
Yeah.
Where you see yourself 5 years from now?
Huh?
Where you see yourself 5 years from now?
Bro, why they love copying people, bro? She, like, they're literally copying other question that other girls ask.
What you say?
Where do you see yourself 5 years from
See
now?
me son?
Where do you see yourself?
Oh, 5 years I know. But me just see myself for article, you know, I know say me is a man, you know. Yeah. You see it? Big man thing.
Yeah.
You see, me just see myself now.
What?
This is
Alright,
something I
so to
live.
rephrase the question,
Hey. Yeah. Sharpman said, him not see himself, no way. Just no same I live, bro.
what's your long-term goals?
Oh.
5 years from now or your short-term
Oh,
goals?
my 5 years from now would
Yeah.
be 54. 5 years from now. How do you mean?
Yeah. Yeah. Bro. This can't be serious, bro. This have to be some setup, bro. Not even 9 night.
Your long-term goals or your short-term goals? Where do you see yourself?
dog.
I see myself as man, yeah. Me not tell you that. You don't understand what you say to me. You say this and you say that.
Yeah.
You see myself.
She asks you like,
Yeah.
based on what you done now, 5 years from now, where would you see yourself? Like,
Bro,
where you
stop
that
asking
reaching a
that,
life?
bro.
Like,
Okay, 5 years from now, I would be landlord, you know. Collecting rent from people.
Yeah. No,
Exactly
man.
why.
You get it.
Yeah, because I'm depend that program right, you know.
Yeah.
Honest.
yeah. All right. So, I want to find out, is this a match?
It's not a match, bro.
No.
Huh?
It's not a match.
No?
That all up in balloon.
Pop it.
Yeah, no. Yeah, we bang. Ah.
Sorry.
Give my 8 said, you know.
All right, then. You have to go walk with Grace here.
Walk with Grace. People,
Fire.
you reach the end of the video, bro. It makes sense I just cut it right here, bro. Because I'm not gonna cry right here. You understand, bro? I'm not gonna cry. Bro. Yo. Yeah. People, subscribe. People, subscribe. You understand? People, I'm out.